Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the home office here in Provo, Utah, where we are going to talk about something that we all have access to. It is called Rapid Identity. And Rapid Identity, you can see the title of it down here in the lower right-hand corner, can be accessed by typing in the following, not all that hoo-ha that's up there now. Type this in, me.forsythk12.org. That's me.forsythk12.org, and watch the magic happen. All right, if you have already signed in to ClassLink for the day, it should take you directly to Rapid Identity. In the upper right-hand corner, you're going to see the little silhouette of a person right up here, and you're going to see your name, which in case this is my name, and a little drop-down arrow. Now watch the things that you can do under Rapid Identity. We're really going to address two issues. One is going to be if for whatever reason your badge is not working on the copying machine. And the other thing is going to be, what do you do if your multi-factor authentication tool on your phone stops working or you get a new phone? What are some backup alternatives? Let's first take a look at the badge thing. All right, so the badge thing right here, all of it's under profile setting. By the way, if you want to change your password, you can see that's all right in here. That's easy to do. You can just kind of follow your nose on that one. Type in your current password as it exists. For whatever reason you want to change your password to a new one, make sure that it meets 3 of these criteria on the right hand side, that it's at least 16 characters long, and you can confirm the password here, hit save, and then you'll have a brand new password. But what I wanted to show you, that's kind of off topic, what I wanted to show you was under profile settings. First off, if for whatever reason you lose your phone or you get a new phone and MFA doesn't work, what you can do is you can go in here and edit your profile. Now you'll notice I've got all my stuff in here, so mine is already entered. Yours right here will be blank, but you need to follow this profile right here. What you're going to do is you're going to literally, in fact, you know what, just for argument's sake here, we'll just play along like it was blank to begin with. I'm going to go +1 space, literally just like it is. No dashes, no extra spaces, not all running together. Literally, you're going to follow this format right here, okay? And I'm going to type in 770-781-6637 because that's the main number to the school. And now you'll see that there's a space and then an X. And guys, that X has to be capitalized. Lowercase x doesn't work. I don't know why, but it's just the way it is. So then you type in 160 and then your extension number for your room, wherever your main home base is, your classroom, wherever it is that you want to try to MFA from, that's what number needs to go in here. And so I'm going to type in my office number, which is 809, and then I hit save. And in about 15 minutes, that will be a backup option should you not be able to sign in with MFA. The other thing that I want to show you, and guys, a lot of you are having trouble with the copying machine not recognizing your badge, and this is what we have to do. Back up under Profile Settings, you'll see something down here that says Badge Number, okay? And you'll notice that it only has 5 digits. Now, I don't have a picture of my badge here in front of me, but if you'll look at the very back of your badge, on the same side where the barcode is, on the opposite side of the badge from where your picture is, you'll notice you have a bunch of alphanumeric characters in there, but you have one string of 5 digits in there, okay? And on mine, I happen to have, you know, like I said, about 10 or 11 alphanumeric characters, and then I have this number right here, isolated. Your number may not be there, or it may be wrong. So go right here. You click on what it says. Edit Profile. And then go right here under Badge Number and simply type those 5 numbers in. And once you have that, then you hit Save again. Your profile will be updated successfully. And then again, in about 10-15 minutes, you'll be able to make copies on the copy machines. So I hope you found that helpful, and if you have any questions, again, feel free to come see me. Thanks a bunch. Have a great day.